My name is Eric. So I have been following this MMT for a while now. So it's kind of like that's the massage I would love to join, and I would love to help other people.
G'day guys, it's Ninja here. I've got Eric from New Zealand here.
Yay!
He come over and did our Money Spot workshop. He was doing our online course before that, and then he's been around for the last 3 days immersion experience with the whole team at MMT. So we're here in Richmond right now, and he's about to go home in the morning. So what we wanted to do is just talk to Eric about who he is, his journey to get to this point today, and so everywhere in between. So yeah, so I'll get you to talk and
Awesome, I'll start talking.
Yeah. So tell us about your early life, where you're from, and then how you become the black sheep you are today.
Black sheep. Yeah. I'm Eric, originally from Malaysia, and backpacking in New Zealand in 2007, and now I'm a resident in New Zealand and loving it. And throughout the process, life keep going on, and work hard, work in corporates and tourism. And yeah, for the last couple of years, because of COVID, just kind of made me realize health is important. We just want to connect with our body, our own, and be who we are. So I graduated as yoga teacher. So now this is an extra layer for me to master the body, the anatomy, and the art form. So I always interested in body art, but I think it's just how to put it into all together. So I'm an artist, graphic designer, and work a bit of everything here and there. Mom is a sewer, tailor, so dad is a teacher. So look back, it's just this is kind of bring me to where I am today. And in the past, yoga is one thing that I practice. Because of my procrastination, it's kind of dragged me further away and away through what I want to do, but now it's coming back. Now I just need to be true to myself, and then learning this part of the journey is kind of learning the body, really. And yeah, in the past I learned body how to stroke, like 10 stroke here, round stroke, but joining this MMT is kind of opened up my eye. It's an art form. It's really resonate with me, with the art, how you treat a person. Everybody is different. So how to use your PC form, how you use your body structure, how you resonate your body to that person. This is I find it very useful for me now. So how I enrolled to this course here is very interesting. I have been watching them through YouTube, and I think the universal is kind of talking to me, kind of like, why wait? There's an opportunity to come and learn this course. And then I sign up, and of course they need to interview me. It's a bit strange that someone needs to interview me because I'm paying for the course. But in the process, there is a lot of struggle, financial, hesitation. So that's kind of pulled me back. But I just take the leap of faith, and this course really drift me to the right journey, right path. And after 14 weeks of learning a lot of theory, a lot of practice on body, now kind of all come together with the workshop. So after 14 weeks of training on the online course, and then we got the 2 days, I flew all the way from New Zealand to Melbourne and get to meet all the team members here to master the art. So how to pin, scoop, and go deep in, sink in, knowing the body, and just to resonate, keep learning. And it's an art, yeah. So what's a good phrase? Clean first, build second. I think that is the biggest thing, because energy, I'm going to bring it back home. Keep learning. So if you're thinking of joining the team, I highly recommend it. You're not going to regret, and it's an art form. You keep learning, and I wish I know this one earlier and join them earlier so I can help more people. So like what you just say, you always got a good intention. You're going to treat people well. That's where I am here today.
Yeah, cool, man. Yeah, I didn't have to interview you, did I? It's great. Yeah, but yeah, I think if we can just go back to some of how you hesitated, and then the courage that you took just to do the online course and to show up on the webinars, because like you're like a bit of fish out of water the first few, you were kind of saying, but you persisted, and sort of then it starts to click, you know, because we're all about a philosophy. We've got a really strong philosophy here, and so it takes time to learn that. That's why it's 14 weeks, because you need time for that to sink in and to practice. So Eric always showed up at the webinars, and he was always searching for people to practice on. So that's, you reap what you sow type of thing. So if you don't just expect to buy the course and not even look at it, or or not to practice, it's unrealistic to think that you're going to be good from that. So you need to kind of take a dive in. So his courage was really rewarded, and to do our in-person workshop, he was only allowed to people are only allowed to do the in-person workshop when they kind of complete our online course. So he flew over and had no expectations, you were saying, and so first night you were here, did sprints, so barefoot sprints.
I know, that's, oh my goodness.
Thrown in the deep end.
Exactly.
So tell us about that.
I think when you want something, you go and chase it. And even though you do not know the results, the end goal is there. But what I have learned this journey here is a process. So you just need to allow your body to learn the process. So it will all comes together. So you just need to believe yourself and just let it for fruit. So that's, I think I learned a lot. I'm going to feel sad tomorrow flying back home to New Zealand.
Yeah.
But I think they really give me a lot of encouragement, and just to do more, help other people. So this is the one big thing that I'm going to bring it back home, and to treat other people. Yeah. So you'll see me more. Watch out.
Yeah. So one of the things Eric has told me, he has this imposter syndrome kind of concept, and one of the things, a little line is, you don't have to be great at the start, but you have to start in order to be great. So if you're kind of hesitating, you're never going to get anywhere. You're never going to improve. So you need to actually start, take that first step. Every journey starts with one step. So, as long as you take one step, you're going forwards, you're going towards an outcome. So you've got to keep on remembering that. So he realizes it's a philosophy now. As long as he follows the guidelines of the philosophy, he knows where to look, where to search, and then how to search. And then if you're kind of working with another person, you're going to get a good outcome, because when you've got good intention, like you were saying, you've got compassion for the person, you really want them to get better, to heal, to kind of resolve their issues, dig into their traumas. So then you can actually get somewhere, and they can kind of, resolve it, digest it, understand, their pains and their traumas and things like that. And then they can kind of let go of the waste and take on the nourishment, and then move forward. So it's really important.
Amazing.
Yeah. So I want to ask you a little bit about the Money Spot workshop. How did that go?
Money Spot. So the Money Spot is really pinpoint, very precise on your body. So that is a very interesting workshop. So if you haven't done anything like this, please come and check them out. I think this is really beneficial for your body, your soul, your internal, like Ninja say, flushing your body. So I highly recommend it. If you hesitate, you lose it. Yeah. So be quick if you want to sign up, even come to see them. They got 2 studios, one in Richmond, one is in Ferntree Gully. I just got lucky and privileged to get to meet all of the practitioners, get to explore it and learn from their craft. So I'm still learning, but I think you should come and try it.
Yeah. So you've had a great time. Just meeting all the characters here, I think.
Exactly. Yeah.
So that's sort of an option perhaps too for people, is to do the immersion after you complete the Money Spot workshop and the online course.
Exactly.
So you can, get that experience and learn from all different people that have been through the principles, have been working in this for us for years, a lot of times, and then because everyone's got a different character, a different take on things, a different way of explaining things, and to feel the treatment from everyone and then try and deliver on them and get that critique. I think that's really important.
Exactly.
Yeah. So I've got a funny line that I gave the guys. It's like your mates tell you when you got shit on your face. You know?
Yes.
So your enemies just let it stay there and let you be embarrassed and not let you know. So we kind of want to be a good critique on each other so we can get them on track, you know, so they know what it should feel like and they can kind of correct them to go wherever it need to go, and the angles, the pressure, all that kind of stuff. So that matches up, that marries up what you're doing is feeling right.
Yeah.
So so it's a good process to go through, and it's going to be processing for you for weeks to come. And but the important thing for you, Eric, you got to practice, man. Practice.
Yeah,
that's it.
So I'm a plumber, what you say?
Plumber.
Yes. Try to clean first.
Plumber, mate.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No, I'm loving it. So please come and join them and come and be part of the MMT Bodyworker. Yeah. I will see you there.
Yeah. What do you reckon? Wind it up.
Yes.
It's been a pleasure having you over here, brother. So anyway.
Amazing. I'm gonna miss this place.
Yeah,
seriously.
we're gonna be sad to see him go.
Yeah.
Anyway, get it done.